Welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today in this video, we are going to talk about Indian financial market versus emerging market equities and how do they compare. It's a very interesting article which I have read in Economic Times today, which compares India with the emerging markets and how India stands as compared to the other markets in the world. Now, if you talk about GDP growth, China has overtaken India as the fastest growing economy, which may reduce foreign interest. So, you can see the market cap for foreign investment or foreign interest. China stands at 6,494 billion, and India at 2,203 billion. Now, let's talk about real GDP growth. Now, if we take GDP into picture, China has overtaken India as the fastest growing economy, which may again reduce the foreign interest. 6.4% of real GDP growth, and India is growing at 5.8. So, this is also a situation which is worrying for India. Now, if we talk about industrial production growth, GDP will grow only with manufacturing growth. Now, you can see when it comes to manufacturing, China is the leader with 5.4% of manufacturing, and India comes somewhere around minus 0.1%. So, if we want our GDP figures to improve, we really need to work on our manufacturing. Now, if we talk about inflation, which is again a very important parameter, fall in Indian inflation is linked to global slowdown. Here you can see India's inflation in terms of global countries is 2.9%. Russia is the maximum 5.2, Brazil 4.9, 4.4%, and India 2.9%. However, a healthy rate of inflation is always good for a country because that promotes economic activity. Now let's talk about another figure, which is unemployment. Now India's figure are higher by global standards. So if we talk about unemployment, we are somewhere on third position compared to countries like South Africa, which has 27.6% unemployment rate, Brazil 12.5%, and India 6.1%. So it's quite a worrying situation when it comes to unemployment. Now, this is the 10-year yield. Despite low inflation, India's figures are high, 7%. Now, foreign portfolio investment inflows. If we see Indian market, it is quite good compared to the other uh, emerging markets. China is at the top position. Here also India needs to catch up a quite long distance as compared to China. Now, if we talk about currency, uh, the stability of the currency plays a very important role in increasing the foreign exchange. And here we see India's position is somewhere quite lagging behind. It's minus 3.2%. Now, if we talk about valuation, India is the most expensive emerging market, 28.6 price to book value and dividend yield. So, India is an emerging market but quite costly. Mm, this is about mutual funds. Now, benchmark index, India is one of the best performing markets. If you see, uh, India's position is quite significant. So I hope this video would have given you a very good comparative analysis of all the emerging economies and where India stands in comparison to them in terms of the financial market. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it on social media. Help us to spread education in this beautiful world. Thank you.